trying out this AUTOGLYM product for cleaning leather seats. You spray it first, just like that. Leave it for 2 minutes or so. Then we'll come back and I'll show you what we do next. So we're just leaving it there for 2 minutes. Just letting the AUTOGLYM leather cleaner. It's going to break down any dirt and that lot, because you can probably just see it just pulling it all down now, or the crap what you don't see in your leather seats. Back in 2 minutes. Because your seats, when you've done this and used the leather balm, come up like that, like new. As you can well see, I can't fault this product one bit. Really good, and it's on a Volvo. Really does a really good job. Now next, you get your cloth and just wipe it. So all we're doing, we're just basically picking it up, what's over there now, onto the microfiber cloth. Now what we do is we leave it to let it dry, and when it's drying now, just leave it to dry. And next we put this leather clay band on. Feeds leather and protects leather and upholstery. Made in the Great Britain. Got the Queen's warrant as well, as both products have. Really can't fault them. Really does bring your seats and your car really well. So next, you get your other microfiber cloth. You do put a tiny bit in one corner, and just only a tiny bit. Put the lid back on the AUTOGLYM stuff, so you don't actually put. When you first open them though, you must shake the bottle each time you come to using this stuff. Now you see what we do is just work it in small movements. You probably can see it starting to work already. Putting that feed into it, just feeding the leather. It's really feeding the leather now. So you can see what I mean. What you do is you leave this thing to dry as well again then. And I've got to can't really fault this product one bit, as I say. Really does bring up your leathers well. If it's a bit scrubby, I would recommend to use a scrubbing board, a brush. So it's not a hard one like a shoe brush kind of thing, so it just irritates the leather a bit more. So then all we're doing now is leave it to dry again. There's a leather balm now that's on it. Oops, we missed some up there. And you'll soon see, because as you can see, it's starting to feed the leather already. It's good for your door cards as well if you've got leather on them as well. This AUTOGLYM product really is good, and I wouldn't use it if I didn't recommend it, because I've used other products in the past and they've not been that great. So now just leaving that to dry. Now we've got the last cloth, no microfiber cloth, and this is just to wipe it basically, just to get anything that's left up and off. Now you can't really fault that for a leather seat, can you? Really looks. Can you see it again? So I would recommend it to anybody. If you've got the time and patience to do it, I would recommend it. And that is the finished product. Really is good. It's the AUTOGLYM leather barn cleaner. Thanks for watching.